back again here, Monster's garage, with the sirus conversion. As you can see, we had the engine inside the car already. You just have to install the turbo, screw up all the little oil lines, do the electrical, and you can start up this project. So for now, you can see the 4G12 that we take out from the car. This is a 1200cc 4G engine, right? These were come originally in the Lancer and them that came 1300cc, 1200cc, right? So that is about the duty work over. So now we have to turn to this guy here, install the turbo, draw the lines. So now we're going to look to deal with cleaning out the surroundings for the manifold and apply some RTV silicone with the system. Okay. I already give it a little clean out, so let's give it a little final. Be sure when you're cleaning this not to scrape it, not to dig into the metal, otherwise you will need a gasket. You can see the surface here was already used silicone. Never had a problem with it. So. Try when you're applying it, not to apply too much. Try to avoid the mess. So basically what we're looking for here is time to point it up. As you can see, I already modified the turbo to the manifold, the stock sirus manifold. This manifold was to accept a TO4 turbo, right? This is a way smaller turbo than this. This turbo is from my sr20, right? Which we should be getting a safe little 10-12 pound out of it. You know, this turbo much stronger, much durable for the engine. Okay. So we already have the gasket maker on there. So just look to apply this here. Space. Come on. Have you not seen them close by? So the turbo installed. Now we just sketch up the little oil lines and return lines. So the oil feed line. Be gentle when you're trying to fit these lines in, otherwise if you cross them. So we this line is to supply the oil to the turbo. These two here is for water to cool the turbo, and we also have a return oil for the turbo return oil to the block. So just get this in here. Right. As you can see, the turbo already installed. So we have to do is get the electrical inside here, get it wired, so we could get current to this monster and hashi bubbling. As you can see, we still have to put the radiator here. We're doing touch fan in this. Touch fan is a little more better cooling with these old school engines. That's about it there for this monster to be cracking.